Alright, so welcome. So in today's video, I will show you how affiliate marketing works. Anything you need to know about affiliate marketing in Nigeria 2023. Okay, so there are different affiliate marketing platforms, but for this case, I'll be showing us how to start your affiliate marketing this 2023 with Offcamp in Nigeria. Okay, so let me go into my browser and show us. So just go to your browser and type offcamp.com and register with them. Offcamp registration this 2023. Just use your email and choose your password. So I already have an account with them, that's why I just want to log into my account. So if you registered with them, so you can see it will show you a dashboard like this, and all you have to do is just click on affiliate here, this affiliate here, click on it. Okay, you click on them and then come to marketplace. Here, marketplace. So this is the marketplace. So now all you have to do is just choose any product of your interest that you want to promote. You see there are different kind of products here, so you just have to choose the one of your choice and copy your affiliate link, and then you keep on promoting your affiliate. So let me just use this one as an example now. This course here is about Amazon KDP. This one is about Amazon KDP. So you can click on it, or you can check the material here under this link here. Once you click it, you will see everything, your promotional material, the landing page. So you see, you read through it and understand what he's saying. Okay, then you can join the Telegram channel if you like. You can join the Telegram channel. So you see, I have joined the Telegram now, and let's go back there. So you see, this is where I will get the promotional material here. You see, get your promotional materials here, and then here is the webinar. Okay, that is it. So I wish you all the best, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.